Hey guys, so what I want to do here is I just want to do a little bit of an intro to level 2 video, just the complete bare basics for anyone who may not have seen it before. So level 2, what you've got here is on the left you have the bidders, every market maker who has bids in for the stock, and on the right is the ask. All these different market makers you can see have different unique symbols. Most of the volume goes through NITE, and that is retail traders like us. With brokers like SpeedTrader or SureTrader, or really any broker that has routing options, you can pick specific market makers to route to, although not all market makers are offered. So what you need to realize here is when you're looking at level 2, you also need to look at it over here with all the prints, the time and sales tape. This is actual trades going through. As you can see here on GSAT, in the case of today, we had trades going through at 138 at the close, and those were hitting the ask. You know they were hitting the ask because these prints are green, and because of course the market maker here on the ask is at 138. Basically, when you're reading the time and sales tape, the green prints are prints that hit the ask. The red prints are prints that are hitting the bid. And then there will occasionally be pink prints in times of panic, and pink prints mean that it's hitting below the best bid. So this NITE bidder here is at 137. If we had a print go through at 136, that wouldn't be a pink print because 136 is below where this best bidder is right now. One phrase you may hear me use in my level 2 videos is that a bidder or someone on the ask is soaking up size. Here's what I mean when I say a market maker is soaking up size. Right now with this SpeedTrader level 2, the way I have it configured is that basically the market maker, the size they are showing is 1/100th of what they really are. So in this case, NITE, they are bidding at 137, and it shows 1 here for shares, but really that is 100 shares. In this case, CSTI, 136, that's another 100 shares. Right down here, CANT at 135. They're bidding 37,500 shares. So really whatever number you see next to it here, multiply by 100 in the case of SpeedTrader. And that's how many shares they really have. So when I talk about soaking up size, let's say in this case right here, this is a perfect example, MITR. MITR is the market maker sitting on the ask. They're sitting at 138 and they're only showing 100 shares. So if you have a green print go through for 100 shares, theoretically MITR should be gone because they got taken out. They're showing they want to sell 100 shares at 138. So if somebody hits them, they shouldn't want to sell anymore. They should be gone. They should be off the ask. But as you can see into the close here, we had a 100 share print, a 100 share print, a 15,000 share print, and a 20,000 share print. And yet MITR just sat there. They did not budge. That is what I mean by soaking up size, because despite the fact that they're only showing 100 shares, they're selling far more than that. So when you hear me say that a market maker is soaking up size in future videos, keep that concept in mind. It is when the market maker is buying more size than they are showing. So I think that about covers the bare basics here that I wanted to convey. I hope this is helpful, and I hope that